Today we're going to be making an ocean scene using contact paper, tissue paper, and paint. Let's get started. Materials we need are 2 pieces of contact paper that are each about 8 inches wide, a piece of cardstock paper or cardboard, 4 paper clips, some masking tape or painter's tape if you have some tissue paper. I have it pre-cut into circles, triangles, and lines, some blue paint and Q-tips, and I also have some letter stickers that spell the word fish. Alright, let's get started. So first I'm going to get the contact paper ready. This contact paper came in rolls, so it's really curly. So I'm going to line up with the corner of the paper and use a paper clip to clip it on. And I'm going to do that on all 4 corners. So here's for this corner. And then unroll it. Do you notice I have the paper backing side facing out? So there. And then the 4th corner. And that. So your child could just use it like that, or to make it extra fastened to the table, I'm gonna add a little bit of extra tape on the edges. We are ready for the fun part. So the kiddo can try and find an edge of the paper to peel off. So we're gonna peel this off, going around the paper clips and tape as best we can. We're gonna peel off all the paper. So we have a sticky surface to make the picture. And it's okay if some of it on the edges gets left on. We mainly just want the middle part to be uncovered. Alright, now we are ready to make our ocean scene. So the first step of making the ocean scene is we're going to add seaweed at the bottom of the ocean. So we have little green pieces of paper. We're going to put them all at the bottom. We can put them on the sticky contact paper. lots of seaweed. Alright, I think that looks good. Next, I'm going to add some fish. So this is for the body of the fish is a circle. I'm going to put the circle in place. And then the fish needs a triangle tail. I'm going to put the triangle in place. There's one fish. And add another fish swimming the other way. There's the body of the fish. There's the tail. Do you see how the pointy part of the triangle is going to touch the circle? I'm going to do one more fish. 3 fish. Someone's going to swim up here in the top. And the triangle tail, the pointy part touches the circle. And I have a black marker, so I'm going to go ahead and give my fish some eyes. So there's 1 eye, 2 eye, 3 eye. I think I'll give my fish a mouth too. So the little curve, little curve, little curve. Next, I'm going to add some water with the blue pieces of paper. I'm going to put them going from side to side instead of up and down like the seaweed. So the water is going to go side to side. And some of it can even go in front of the fish because they're swimming in the water. And some of it goes between the fish. That's a nice amount of water. And then next I'm going to use my sticker letters to write the word fish. So first I have letter F. I'm going to take the back off the sticker and put letter F right in the middle of the seaweed. Next I have letter I. Take the back off. Goes F, I. Next is S. This is going to be camouflaged in the seaweed. God, it's the same color as the seaweed. And then last, I have letter H. Please say the letters together. F, I, S, H. Fish. Alright, next we're going to add a little blue paint to make even more water. So I have a Q-tip. I'm gonna open up my paint. I'm just gonna paint kind of just add a little bit. between the blue papers. And you can paint on top of the blue paper a little too. Maybe a little bit over the fish. But mostly paint around the fish. You could like trace around the fish. A little bit down by the seaweed. Okay. That looks pretty good. What do you guys think? Close up my paint. Last, we're going to put the second piece of contact paper down on top of our picture. First, I'm going to take the tape off that I put on the edges. Alright, and now this doesn't have to be super precise because we can cut it after we put it down. So this piece of contact paper is like a giant sticker. So I'm going to peel the paper part off of the contact paper. Might be something for the helper to do. Some kids could probably do this themselves. Alright, so I'm peeling it off, and then once it's all peeled off, I'm going to hold it with 2 hands on the corners. Now I'm going to try and first line up the top corners to the top corners of my picture. It's a little tricky. So you line up the top corners, and then I'm gonna slowly let it lay down on top of the whole picture and press it down all over. You can try and smooth out the little wrinkles, but it's also not a big deal if there's some wrinkles. Alright. And then we can pull, well, that one kind of got stuck in there. You can pull off the back paper. Try and get this little paper. Alright, so there's our picture. And then we'll use our scissors to trim around the edges. So I'm going to see where the edge met here on. Just go a little bit above it. I'm cutting in a line, and I'm gonna make the corner a little bit curved and cut up, and then curve the corner and cut in a line. And then curve the corner, cut in a line, and then curve the corner. And then keep picture's all done.